All right, here we go. This is the Weber Engineering Tote Gote lookalike. We're going to try to get it to fire up here. It's got all the aspects of a Tote Gote, but it's got some very unique pieces to it. The bar gets welded down low. The handlebars are bent across the top. Although the forks look the same bends. What's unique, and I haven't seen on any other bikes, is this apparatus right here where the rear foot pegs will flip up and go in the back position, and then you can bring it out, and then it locks into this position here. So 90 degrees and turns. It's like that. It's pretty interesting. It's all pretty good shape. Everything turns. Everything's pretty loose, but it does turn. So I'm going to go ahead and try to fire it up and see if it'll start. And on the second hole, it started. Unbelievable. After 40 some odd years, getting a little smoky. It's awesome. Hasn't been licensed for 76. That's freaking cool. I grew up with Brian riding this thing around about 6 to maybe 12 years old. Very cool. That was the first test. Now we're going to take it apart and end up restoring it. Very cool.